44A Ellis Street in Stones Corner. This incredible renovated character home is now on the market, and I want to take you on a tour and showcase some of the things that this home sets it apart from others, and also some of the thought that went into the home when we were renovating it. So this house is freehold. It's one of 3 character homes that's been fully renovated, which forms part of the Terraces on Ellis development. And we have our 9 townhouses out the back. We're on over 200 square meters of land here, and it's a 4-bedroom house. We've got 2 bedrooms downstairs, one of them which is the master bedroom, but we've also got the option for a second master bedroom upstairs. Single car accommodation, but on the driveway here, we can also fit a second car parked in tandem, which is really good, especially being so close to the CBD. Parking is crucial, but it also makes it really convenient if someone's coming and going all the time, or visitors be able to park in this area here. As we enter through the front door, we've got our master bedroom here. So a really generous sized master bedroom with an ensuite and a walk-in robe, as well as these French doors here which open up onto the outdoor area onto the courtyard. And this can be used as the master bedroom, or one of the bedrooms upstairs has a bathroom as well as plenty of storage space that can be used as the master bedroom as well. And that gives us the option to be able to use this as a home office, should anyone be working from home, or a kid's playroom, guest bedroom, which is really separated from the living area upstairs. So it is a unique quality here in this home. And when we were going through the design phase, we really thought about that. Storage is absolutely essential in any house, but especially when you're looking at townhouses or small lot homes, you want to make sure you've got as much storage space as possible. So under the stairs here, all the way wrapping around to the corner, great place, Christmas trees, luggage, beach stuff, whatever you want to store. We've also made sure that any other place that we can fit storage, we've got shelving and cupboards. The laundry's downstairs, so washer, dryer, plenty of bench space, a good undermount sink, and storage space for the cupboards as well. An ironing board will be able to fit straight on top there. Second bedroom downstairs. All of the bedrooms in this house have built-in robes, so shelving as well as shelving, hat rail, hanging space. Fully ducted air conditioning throughout the whole house, multi-zone, so each bedroom, living area is all zoned independently. The toilet on the downstairs is out of the bathroom, so a powder room here. And then we've got a separate shower and bath in the main bathroom downstairs, which would be used by that second bedroom, if not by guests. As we go upstairs, we've got one aircon controller downstairs and we've got another one upstairs, making that super convenient. And you'll notice with the stairs, we've worked on that character feature again. So the painted white risers and the Vic Ash treads really forms part of that modern twist on a character home. Upstairs, we've got the kitchen, living, dining, and 2 more bedrooms. With the kitchen, we wanted to make sure the character continued through the home. So we used a lot of black tapware, black handles, feature tiling, feature paneling on the bar back, so a 2-pack VJ panel on the bar back, as well as our pendant lights really give that sense of character while being super modern. Throughout the home, we've got these engineered timber floors, and they're a nice light color, so that really works with a lot of different color palettes. So when the new owners are designing the look of the home, it's going to make it very easy with the color palette that we've chosen. It's nice and neutral. Our TV, living, dining area opens up onto the balcony, which is a great enclosed space. So even during a big summer storm here in Queensland, you're still going to be able to use this space, but plenty of light and ventilation as well. A great place to have your barbecue and extend this living dining area into the outdoors. And as you can see, we've set it up for casual seating, so a nice quiet place to read a book or have a coffee. The 2 bedrooms that we have upstairs, as I mentioned, plenty of storage. This bedroom here gives you the option to have a second master bedroom upstairs. We've styled it as a kid's room. Obviously, we're limited for how many different options we can style it for, but you have got a full built-in robe, that cupboard in the hallway leading to this room, and we've got a bathroom there as well with the shower, toilet, vanity. So if you wanted to have your master bedroom upstairs, you could very easily use this space for your master bedroom. The The other great thing about the home is the really high ceilings, 3-metre ceilings on the upper level and 2.7 downstairs. And that gives us a great sense of space. And no more space than this bedroom here. We're at 5 by 3.5 metres, absolutely massive. And this could be used as a second living area, TV, formal dining, or as a bedroom. There are so many options in this house, especially with the 4 generous bedrooms and the 3 bathrooms. We're really excited to have this house on the market because it is completely unique. Being only 4 kilometres from the CBD, you're only a 5-minute walk to the busway, which is direct access into the CBD, and only a 5-minute walk to the Stones Corner precinct, which has LD, chemist, bookshop, everything that you would need. So I think that gives you a really good feel for the home, some of the features that are in the home, fantastic LV appliances, the ducted air conditioning, and the thought that's gone into making this a truly incredible home, as well as not just a renovation in terms of tidying it up, repainting and changing a few little things. This has been a complete overhaul. So all of the outside, all of the inside, all new linings, all new external weatherboards, even the walls that were existing in the house, we built new walls along the inside of those, a new roof, a complete brand new home. So make sure you come along and check it out for yourself.